consider this tank filled with water. What happens when we shed light on it? When light falls on the surface of water, we know that light travels here in air. So till this point, light is traveling in the air. But when it reaches the surface of the water, what happens? It gets refracted from its original position. So refraction is just a phenomenon in which light bends when entering from one medium to another medium. Here, light is traveling in the air, and when it comes to the surface of the water, it gets refracted because of the density, because the density is changed in the water. This is called the refraction of light. In this diagram, you can see a single layer of light passing through air and at the surface of water. This is the surface of water. After reaching this point, it changes its direction and starts traveling in another direction with the same speed. This is the angle with which it is refracted. Now coming to the last topic is diffraction of light. What exactly is diffraction of light? We will get to know by this experiment. Take another ripple tank and attach a vibrator with it. The vibrator will start creating waves in the water. Now, when we place an obstacle such that there is a little opening in the obstacle, what would happen? These rays will start making these formations at the other end of the obstacle. Okay, when these rays come toward the obstacle, there is a little opening here, and the condition for diffraction is that the opening must be comparable with the wavelength of light. It should be almost equal to the wavelength of light. Then and only then the diffraction phenomena will occur. Okay, if this opening is about the size of the wavelength, then the rays coming outward from the opening will start bending in every direction. Okay, so we will study and we will see a lot of waves coming out from the opening, and these waves will spread in all directions. Here we will see from this figure the waves, the water waves, the vibrating waves come to the point of opening and then gets refracted in every direction. This is called the diffraction of waves. What are the three properties of waves? It can be reflected, it can be diffracted, or refracted, you can say, and it could be diffracted. Okay, this was all about today's topic.